Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Kayak app not loading an iPhone. So to fix this issue, you can start by force closing the app. You see, when you open a Kayak app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, if your app is not loading or some of the other issues is going on with your app, just swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to completely close it from a multitasking screen and then try reopening it. Now the next what you can do is restart your iPhone. Just turn your iPhone off, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Usually refreshes the system memory and clears temporary glitches. Now the next what you can do is check your internet connection. You can also just toggle your airplane mode on, wait for a few seconds and then turn it off back to reset your network. You can also just try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if the loading issue is network related. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just simply go to your Apple store and then find Kayak, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is go to your device settings, then go to general and go to iPhone storage, then scroll down to find Kayak, or you can just simply search for Kayak in your search bar. Tap on it. Now tap offload app and then immediately tap reinstall it. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.